Hi friends, welcome to Dhatchu's kitchen. Today in our kitchen we are going to make a very tasty chicken 65. Let us see the ingredient. Here we are having 750 grams of chicken, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of Maida flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 1 egg and half lemon, and salt for taste. First we need to marinate the chicken, so that take one bowl and add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of corn flour, 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 egg, and salt for taste. Mix it once. Add the water gradually and make it as a smooth paste. This is the right consistency. Now we can start to add the chicken pieces. Mix it thoroughly until the chicken pieces coated with the masala all the sides. Finally, we can squeeze half lemon. Mix it well and let it be marinate for half an hour in refrigerator. Switch on the stove and place one kadai. Now I am going to add some oil to fry the chicken. Once the oil is hot, we can start to add the chicken pieces one by one. The chicken pieces are coated with the masala very well. Here we used chicken with bone. If you wish, you can use boneless chicken also. That's all. Let it be cooked for 5 minutes in medium flame. Now one side cooked very well, I am going to turn all the chicken pieces one by one. We need to cook the next side for 5 minutes in medium flame. Now both the sides are fried very well. This is the right time to take the chicken out. Drain the oil thoroughly and take the chicken out. It's an excellent starter. You can have this for all kind of variety rice, biryani and dal rice. Now our crispy and fleshy chicken 65s are ready. Please try this recipe at your home and enjoy with your family. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel Dhatchu's Kitchen. I will meet you in my next video with an interesting recipe. Thank you. Bye bye.